Okay. No microphone, no nothing. Okay. Hello, dear friends. Good afternoon. Such a beautiful, beautiful afternoon. Just too many things to worry about. Although I am one of the people who worry about less, still. I did not put microphone, so I was thinking in such an enclosed small toilet bathroom, I should be able to do a recording with relatively reasonable sound without any equipment. This is just my cell phone. And I did put a tripod, of course. And anything else? A tripod. And I am putting on the cinematic mode. That's it. Nothing more, nothing less. I use two colors because one is a bit too dark, one is a bit too light. So I use two to neutralize it. This way, I will not throw away the first one, I will not throw the second one, I will end up having a better one by taking advantage of the disadvantage of both. Such is life. When you pay attention to life, when you have an idea and very clear attention in life, the whole universe conspire to achieve your goal, your attention. Just so simple. Pay attention to yourself. The rest is the job of the universe, not even yourself. You do your share, that is good enough. I do my share. To make myself presentable and going out with self-respect. That's all I can do. That's all I need to do. That's all I want to do. Nothing more, nothing less. Oh, I have a new unboxing coming. I will unbox it with you together. Give me 1 minute. She's pretty, right? I think I am sorry to the universe. I am sorry to the brand. I'm kind of an insult of the beauty standard of the world, right? Look at this eyebrow. And look at this eyelash. I'm sorry to insult the universal standard of beauty. 3 of them for $9. Oh, they are fine together. Wow, look at it. Did not even take out the silver and gold glitter on it. Wow. Is there any difference? I do not see. I am sorry, L'Oreal. I am not pretty. Sorry. Not sorry. Bye-bye, friends. I love you. I really do. I always feel that long hair looks uncivilized, wild. Uncivilized, wild. Prehistorical people. Do I look wild, uncivilized, prehistorical person? So what?